College as to become a part of Gymnasium study project, and under the supervision of Raghavendra Reddy sir, we have participated. Along with me, there are 4 other participants who have participated in this project. They were Nimra, Sarita, Shailaja and Taufik. And the topic is the contribution of Sarva Sagar project to agrarian sector in Kottagota region. The Sarva Sagar project was constructed on Chinnavagu, which was the tributary of Krishna river. This was started on 10th July 1947 by Raja Rameshwar Rao, who was the Raja of Banpatti Samasthan. Later it completed on 26th July 1956 by eminent engineer Ramakrishna Raju, later continued by Taufik.
So in the Sarva Sagar there are siphon system. Siphons are nothing but these are tube form in the U shape in which the liquid form gets out from the tube. There are 4 units of priming and 17 hood siphons. So when the water in reservoir reaches into a certain level, then it falls into priming siphons, and then it sucks from hood siphons, and then it kicks out from the reservoir, and then it creates the vacuum. So I would like to call to you. So the objective of making Sarva Sagar is increasing agriculture productivity, to increase the area of irrigation, and to provide sufficient soil moisture in order to agriculture productivity. So I would like to call Sarita.
Siphons are bit number 1, and similarly the better number 2, 3 and 4, but our siphons will start automatically from trimming siphons. When trimming siphons start functioning, the slats into the throat of the siphons will push the water. Will push the water out in the and the siphons will start into the operation. Continue the Neha.
Second biggest dam in the world and first biggest dam in Asia. About the TMC of 0.5. This was spread over 1572 metric cube feet in 771 acres. This dam is benefited for 10 villages. Later it continued by Shailaja.
Left canal carrying capacity 82.00 persons water. The benefit to number of villages 8 villages. Right front canal carrying capacity 6.89 persons water. Number of villages 2 villages. Total 185.12 acres. Number of villages surveyed 10 villages.
So we did some analysis in which Sarva Sagar benefited 10 villages with 4,185 acres, and with right canal it is 2 villages, and then 8 villages by left canals. So we found that due to the heavy rains, the dam was blocked, even the crops got damaged, the animals were leaving, they were died due to the natural disaster. So I would like to call.
Measures should be added to overcome the higher water pressure during the heavy rain to normalize the water inflow. Employee working in this project should monitor now and then, so any canal defect can rectify and can avoid major accidents. Next, regular report of this project to be updated to the higher authorities to take necessary action and to suppress several problems. Conclusion: the Samastana was a part of Deccan while subjected to Hyderabad. Hyderabad was located on the border of Madras Presidency. During the visit of Kurnool and Madras, Raja Rameshwar Rao was the most influenced by what he saw. Well, Raja Rameshwar Rao III was the last ruler of Banpatti Samasthanam. He took higher education from Nizam College of Hyderabad and also in Madras in a ceremony by General J.N. Chaudhary and General J.N. Chaudhary. Next, transferred power